think about it is just like giving an extra skeleton, external skeleton, and now we can lift 1,000 pounds of stuff with a finger type of situation.
A lot of students are people who are thinking about accounting. They're thinking that, AI is going to replace everything in accounting. Why do we need accountants? Or like, if I'm going to be an accountant, I'm worried about this job is not stable anymore because AI is going to take over everything.
So you have to divide the industry between Fortune 500 type of companies where everything is standardized. So when you are talking about audit and AI, if I am and that's where the messaging has challenges, and we as accountants, practitioners, we have not properly explained it, is that, look, we implement AI. Now instead of doing sampling, we can review the entire financial statement of a company. We can, for example, pull in property tax statements and see whether loans will perform or not perform, because you can see who is paying, who is not paying their mortgages or utilities, and all of those different things. So these AI advancements that will come into audit will enhance and secure your knowledge, and your results will be much more reliable as long as the AI is programmed correctly. And that's where the people come in to play. AI is, people think that I just plug a machine in and it will do. No, we accountants have to define the parameters. We are the accountants who will program those to make it happen and show and check the areas. But our institutional knowledge, and that's where it becomes, accounting is just like a doctor, just like a lawyer, right? That's why they always used to talk about these three professions the same way. It goes well by age, because by age you have practice, experience, and you can see things that only stands out to you because you have been down the trenches, you have your battle scars. And the new entering professionals, early stage professionals, they will have tool sets and institutional knowledge option that they can merge it, and they can take their career way further than any of us can do right now. And so technology is a positive enhancement. So think about it as just like giving an extra skeleton, external skeleton, and now we can lift 1,000 pounds of stuff with a finger type of situation. That's what technology will give us, whether it's in audit or whether it's in tax. Yes. Can you import in a W-2? I'd rather import a W-2 information into a tax software than me manually typing in and transposing a number, right? That's where all of those things can get cut off. But again, when you're talking about big clients, like big firms, or you're talking about mom and pop or an individual for businesses or an individual person, the transition will happen across the board, but at different stages, different improvements, and or different limitations, for example, AI will have, right? And yes, we have OCRs and all of those different things to help recognize invoices and a lot of stuff. That's the next 5-10 years that we can make our practices better. When we talk about tax, that we can now, instead of supporting 50 clients, just making up a number per person, now you can support 100, 150 clients, because your basic data flows in. You understand how numbers change because you are the subject matter expert. Now you can provide the guidance instead of 50 people, 100, 150 people, because the data gets populated. You review the accuracy, you review all of those pieces, and then you can deliver value to your clients, or you can deliver value to your team because you share your knowledge and or advance yourself in areas that are interest of you. So this is not a bad thing. It's an incredible positive opportunity, and I wish these changes happened 10 years ago. But it's okay, they are all happening now, and I will be just 10 years older by the time I will implement them.